Hey, welcome guys. Welcome back. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell para update kayo sa akong mga video. So today, very exciting because we are going to unbox the Switch SA, PS Switch SA PA8. It's a professional stage speaker. So if you're looking for a portable speaker for busking, like live performance, karaoke, or a small event, stay until the end. So the unboxing, let's open the box and let's see what's inside. So, first in the box we have this is the wireless microphone. Quality is it's plastic. It has a two AA battery. Which is inside. We have the power adapter. Power adapter is 110 to 40 volts. This is 18 volts. Masakit here. This will be used for charging the built-in battery. We have 3.5mm jack. This is the manual. So inside the box we have the speaker, 1 unit, instruction manual, power adapter, and wireless microphone. Here we can have a QR code for the app to download. App can be used to do the mixing, to adjust the volume mixture. We have a built-in reverb and an echo. It can also be adjusted as a guitar settings inside in the app. Okay. So my first impression is that the speaker feels like a solid and professional. Design looks like clean and durable. Makes it suitable for both indoor and outdoor performance. So let's take a quick look at the features. The speakers offers 100 watts maximum output. It has a built-in Bluetooth 5.0. This is a DSP, electronic frequency divisions. It has an USB playback and a dual microphone input. So first we have to switch on. Power is here. Long press. It already have a battery. Okay. So it's power on. We have the volume guitar. It has a bass, mid, and a treble. These are the effects. We have our microphone input. It has a bass, mid, treble, and volume effects. It can connect. It's connect as an auxiliary using the 3.5mm. If you wanna do for a live streaming, you can use this 3.5mm connecting to your phone, which is good if you having some live stream. You can have we will test the audio, if how is the audio output will be. Next, you can also connect this USB. USB means you can use this as a power bank. So if you're using your mobile doing live stream, you can use the USB port for your charging at the same time for your mobile phone. We have 3.5mm for your headphone. If you wanna, for example, if you are maybe in a loud performance and you cannot hear your voice or your guitar volume, you can use the headphone for your accurate settings. We have this anti-noise for mic. We have to test this. these are the presets, forward. Okay, so it's a digital. So these features makes useful for singer, musician, buskers, presentations, and small events. This is a rechargeable battery. It includes one wireless microphone. So these are the master volume, and this is the charging input. Okay, so now it's time for the most important part, is the sound test. So I will test the Bluetooth music playback. We can also test the wireless microphone, the guitar inputs. We can test the volume, bass, and the treble performance. So let me know in the comments what you would think about this sound quality. So final thoughts about the PA system, PA speaker. It's overall I'm impressed with the Switch SW-PA8. It's portable, easy to use, and packed with useful features for musicians and performance. So if you're looking for a speaker for busking, gigs, karaoke, or small events, this could be worth to check out. So if you are enjoying this unboxing and review, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comments below what you want me to review for the next time.